Hey guys, Carter here with BDS Suspension, and right now I've got the complete 8-inch 4-link system for the new Ram 2500 and 3500 kits. Now this kit I have right in front of me is for the 3500. Now let's get into it. We've got a lot of parts here, a lot of stuff to go over. Let's talk about it. So up front, there are a lot of parts of this kit. You're gonna get replacement Pro Ride coil springs. It's a progressive rate spring, so it's gonna offer improved performance on and off-road over what you get from the factory, and it's a full length coil. You're not gonna do spacers, you're not gonna do anything like that you might find with other kits on the market. In addition, this kit converts the factory radius arm over to a 4-link. And by doing that, you have better control, better ride quality, better performance, extra strength, and ultimately better caster control as you cycle that suspension. So with that, you're gonna get these heavy duty 1/4-inch thick brackets that are gonna bolt to the frame. You're gonna get upper and lower arms. Now the arms are formed to allow additional tire clearance and really set your truck up at that 8-inch lift height for improved performance all the way around. So coming from that, you have to adjust for the steering and the track bar. Now to do that, we give you a forged drop pitman arm that is designed specifically for this kit. We give you a drop track bar bracket, which works with your factory track bar, or we do offer an aftermarket track bar. Either way, it's going to position that in phase with the steering so that you have perfect steering right down the road. Other items you're gonna get for the front, you are gonna get extended length sway bar links. Now these do have a spherical bushing so they don't bind up, they're greasable. They're gonna bolt right in place of your factory setup. You're gonna get extended bump stops. You're gonna get replacement stainless steel braided brake lines, and a bunch of other odds and ends to finish up the front end of your truck. The last item, you get shocks. Obviously you're gonna get shocks with your kit because that's the way we do it. We offer two options right now. You're gonna get the NX2, this is our twin tube gas shock, or you can upgrade to the Fox 2.0 Performance Series, which I got on the table right here. That offers improved performance on and off road. It's an aluminum internal floating piston design. Moving from the front to the center of the truck, you got one thing you're gonna have to do. With this kit, you will need to index the transfer case, as we do with a lot of our kits on the market. So we're gonna offer indexing rings that work for both the 6-bolt and the 8-bolt design. You're also gonna get a new transfer case cross member, and it allows additional clearance for your front driveline. But unfortunately, with this kit, at this height, you will be required to run a new drive shaft. That is something a little bit different than you see with a lot of our kits. We do typically try to make it so you can reuse your factory ones, but on this kit at this height, the factory driveline is not able to be used, so you will be required to use a new drive shaft. We have information in our instructions on how to spec that out to work with your local driveline shop to get the driveline that you need. Moving from there to the back of the kit. It's pretty simple, it's still a leaf spring. What we're gonna do is a dual add-a-leaf, so 2 additional leaves per side. You're also gonna get these replacement lift blocks as well as longer U-bolts. From there, another set of shocks to match in the rear. That's all you need. This kit is complete with everything to set your truck up for 38 to 40-inch tires, improved performance on and off road, and it just looks killer. The 2500 kit's a little bit different, a little bit more involved. We've got a separate video on that, so if you got a Ram 2500, check that video out, but everything for the front, everything for the center of the truck is the same between 2500 and 3500 trucks. So for more information on this kit, head to bds-suspension.com.